if you want to create or set up a new Samsung account on your Samsung phone, so in this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step process on how to do that. So let's get started. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Sign into your Galaxy. Now, if you want to sign in using your email account or your phone number, you can select email or phone number. But if you want to create your Samsung account using your Gmail account, you can select Sign in with Google. Now just select your Google account. Then tap on Continue. Tap on Continue. Now just select I have read and agreed to all the above. And tap on Agree. Now just tap on Date of Birth and enter your date of birth. Then tap on Done. And in this section, just enter your phone number. And after you do that, you will receive an OTP code on the phone number which you have entered. Now, after you receive the OTP code through a phone call or through an SMS message, just enter it in this section. Then tap on Verify. Tap on OK. Now you can either create a Samsung account passkey or you can select Setup Later. And as you can see, we have successfully created our Samsung account on our Samsung phone. And this is how you can create or set up your new Samsung account on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.